You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to make your X account, formerly Twitter, private to protect your tweets. Open the X app and tap your profile picture in the top left. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap Privacy and Safety. Then tap Audience and Tagging. Here you will find the option Protect Your Posts. Tap the toggle. Switch to Turn it on. A confirmation message will explain that only your current followers will see your future posts, and new followers will need your approval. Tap Protect to confirm. Your account is now private. Your past public tweets will be hidden from non-followers. To also hide your likes, go back to Privacy and Safety and tap Likes. Toggle on Hide your likes. This prevents people from seeing what you've liked. To approve or remove followers, go to your profile, tap Followers, and review the list. You can remove any follower. New follow requests will appear in your notifications for you to approve or deny. Remember, making your account private affects discoverability. Your tweets won't appear in public search or trends. You can switch back to public anytime by toggling Protect Your Posts off. For more simple X privacy tutorials, subscribe to the channel.